Teacher Navasa, we are going to answer a PLE question of 2017, and of course by Riverflow International, the Center of Innovation. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to answer this question, and we're actually going to use this model. One of the items in the new approach primary science kit, you can get one. The diagram below shows the saturation of blood in the human body. Study and use it to answer the questions that follow. Let's first look at this drawing. It is actually, they have adopted it, or they have picked idea from this model. Now, we have this part, and the center is the heart, which is this one. This is the center, which is the heart. Then other concept we have here, we have the body. Now, we have vessels. There is a vessel coming from the body, labeled Z, coming to the heart. So this one, we know it is this, or this vessel coming from up and down, it is entering the heart. And we know it is only vena cava, that returns deoxygenated blood from other parts of the body back into the heart. So we know Z is vena cava. It has brought blood into the heart. And now from the heart, there is another vessel labeled Y. It is carrying it, taking it to the body, organ X. And you can see that from the heart, there is a vessel connecting to the lungs. Therefore, this part, which is labeled X, we can say, these are lungs. Okay? Now, which vessel carries blood from the heart to the lungs? And that one will be actually still be deoxygenated blood. And therefore, Y will be pulmonary artery. There is what we always say, that all arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, and you can see it here. But then we also have another vessel which is bringing blood from the lungs back to the heart, and we know that one, that it is pulmonary vein. Now, a learner must have understood the concept of all body saturation to be able to answer a question like this. And therefore, that's why a teacher may need models as this to be able to help learners comprehend. Now, let's get to the questions. Question A says, name the organ marked with the letter X. It is here. And we have already answered it. We have said these are lungs. But me, I believe, even if a child put a lung, they will be marked. Okay? To which blood vessel is marked with the letter W? We have already answered this one. This one is also called pulmonary vein. Okay. State the similarity between blood vessel Y, which is pulmonary artery, and blood vessel Z, which is vena cava. Of course, all of them, this one is bringing deoxygenated blood into the heart. This one is carrying deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. So what can we say? We say both transport. Okay, deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. Full stop. Why does blood vessel W, which we identified as pulmonary vein, bring blood back to the heart? And of course, you know, a heart is the engine, is the pump that pumps all the blood from this heart, all other body parts, here to the digestive system, here to the liver, to the kidneys, and all the other lower parts of the body, even to the upper parts of the body. And therefore, why this blood has to come back here is to be what? Is to be pumped to other parts of the body. you just drink a question like you are drinking tea which has already cooled down with some mandazi and some pumpkins. So if you have any other question, you can also share it. Of course, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, River Flow International on YouTube, so that you are able to keep updated on new posts or new content that has been created. As usual, Teacher Stuart Nabasa, I sign out. Thank you very much.